What's up, guys? Starting today's video. I literally just got off work and now I'm working on Gina's car because of some code popped up pretty much saying that it's running lean, which I don't understand why. It might be the intake air box because I didn't put all 4 bolts in, so that's what I'm doing right now. So I don't have the proper tools because I have a bunch of like house tools. So this is what I'm using. Take this broken stud out, then I'm gonna just replace the bolts, make sure this is tight, and make sure there's no extra air going into this, and hopefully that fixes that. It looks like the I think is the mass airflow sensor. I think that's been replaced already because it has a huge dot on it, so I think that's been replaced, so it can't be that. So I just cleared the code and I'm gonna just tighten up this area. This was pretty loose, so hopefully fixing this up and making sure there's no extra air going into the intake or into the turbo, pretty much, because I think this loops into the turbo. That's what it looks like. But make sure there's no extra air going into there, and you know, making that code pop up again, because it could lead into other issues and stuff like that. And I really don't have the bread to be fixing both cars or 3 cars, because I'm still working on my truck as well. So alright guys, so we're in the hatch right now. Here are the lug nuts. We about to install them. Alright guys, so we just got done installing the lug nuts, the stickers. It looks so good. I fucked up one of the lug nuts, so I might just order another set just in case I fuck any more up. I feel like I will eventually, because they are like pretty easy to scuff, so I might just get another set just to have around and swap them out when need to be. But as of right now, they look amazing. So I'm gonna shoot a couple cinematics for you guys, and yeah, I'm gonna go back inside because it's fucking cold as shit.